what future tank trouble will look like. Oh, okay. So, what up, guys? It's Rustic Games here, and today we are playing some tank. Who is this? Scrapped. Doesn't even say his name. Okay, yeah, that's kind of weird. Alright, we're not going to be able to play this game, boys. It's already 4 paper. What server are we even in? New York. Interesting. Okay. Join my battle. Oh, hi! HydroDonkey! He's my homie. Well, I say that to everyone, but like... Whoa, a rainbow hat! That looks really well with... He has a mixture, like, baby... Like, cause, you know, that's, like, the baby design. And then, like, Super Mario is tank, the front tank. And then just a rainbow hat. I've never seen that. Rapid Assassin. Who are you going to battle? What? I don't know what you're talking about. I am recording this. Gotta tell him, you know. Ooh, coin! Oh, there's a coin! Attack the coin! Attack! Oh, Rapid Assassin knew that we weren't gonna shoot each other. He knew. DLion, cats are cats. Of course cats are cats. Bruh. Of course cats are cats. What do you think? Cats are dogs? Like, come on, man. No! Say hi to YouTube. I get this from everyone. Like, when they're doing the messing with scammers videos, they're like, say hi to YouTube. And boom. What a good shot. Please don't hit. Oh my freaking god. It actually came back in high. Oh, it actually came back to you. Oh my god. Okay, yeah. Oh, they're saying hi. Thank you guys for understanding. Now I gotta tell them the channel name so they can go look themselves up. If you're watching this, I will post this to the channel soon. Hi to YouTube, bruh. DLion. Oh, what? This lag. HydroDonkey is good. Like, I underestimated him. I actually did. Check my stats. I did. You have like 8,000. I don't even remember. 4,000? Don't kill me. I'm checking out your stats. Hi, YouTube. What is it? Oh, yeah, he has a lot of stats. I did. Cats are cats and DLion. Ooh, I get it, because a lion is a cat. Like, oh, I got a win and I didn't even do anything. That is lit. I did check out your oh no. Don't kill me, dude. I'm going to lag. Oh my god. Let's get some kills here. Hey, we got a kill. Let's go. I'm gonna say check out the vid. Check out the vid. Check the vid out. Bruh. Same thing. Oh no. This lag. The lag is killing me. Show us the link. Or you could just check out the channel, like, you know. Either way, I'd be fine. Like, just go to Rustic Games in 15 minutes. In 10 minutes. 10 minutes. I spelled that completely wrong. There you go, HydroDonkey. There you go. With some hydro. You know, HydroDonkey. What's that name? Like, is a donkey like drinking water? Like, no, like, man. You're a donkey that likes drinking water. It's always so fun to shoot the shotgun. You know, I underrated. Oh my god. This lag is unreal. Oh my god, man. Why does lag have to exist? By the way, if you're experiencing lag, go check out Baby's post on lag. Because Baby does not act like a baby. Might be the recording software. Yeah, maybe, probably. Because I never get this much lag when I'm not playing, when I'm not making a vid. But other YouTubers recording, they don't get lag, like Baby's channel, The Jerk, what's that guy's name? Jabs or something? Jabez. Yeah, Jabez. HydroDonkey, I wish I showed you my skill. I wish you could see. I wish you could see my skill. And then DLion is gonna make a joke about how you have none. Oh my god, I am calling it. Please, no one's making a joke about how I don't have it. I spelled C wrong on accident. Is lag preventing that? Bruh. Yes. Let's go. Ooh. Snipe. I had nothing I could do there. I could like just ran away, but like that. If I see a tank, I'm gonna shoot them. Like. Also, I'm getting trained by the legend Hero. So yeah, Hero is training me. There you go. See? Oh, that was a bad shot. Oh no, I'm dead. Bad angles, Rustic. How am I doing so bad on YouTube? Oh my god. Because of lag. I'm not playing myself. I'm not playing how I usually play. Partly because of the lag and partly just because, I don't know. After you play like a long time, because I've been playing for a long. See, I meant to shoot forward. Instead, it just went the other way. See, look, it's just glitching and it's just like moving everywhere and like going places I'm not even hitting. Like, I would like click this arrow and it would go like a completely, see, like that shot. Oh, I actually got a kill. But yeah, that's all for the video. Subscribe for more and peace out, guys. Subscribe, gamers. Peace out.